So now our next measure is Ceresine Wax, which we have in here. And we have this set up. We want 90 grams of Ceresine. This is S&P Ceresine. We're just about there. Okay, so that is 90 grams of Ceresine. And what's kind of odd, before you used to see me add Ceresine at the last, but we actually want to add it to the melted stearic acid. So there's our 92, or I should say 90 grams of Ceresine. So our Ceresine wax goes in with the stearic acid, it's melted in with it. So in it goes to the stearic acid, so it all melts together. That's one thing that's different about this work magazine, is they call for the combination of the stearic and the Ceresine wax, which is pretty interesting because I've never seen that really in a formula before. So that's our stearic and that's our Ceresine. I still gotta make 2.96 grams of Ceresine, so I gotta go to our other balance beam scale here. Ew, that hurts your ears. This is our balance beam, and we want to make sure that it's zeroed up. So we'll be using this little paper here. We'll be using, there we go. So we've got to zero this out. Get the balance on there. I only use paper. On this, I only weigh up until 10 grams, so I use the little balancer in the middle here to set the 0 point. Make sure we are all the way there. This weighs to 10 grams and tenth of gram. Then between you can get around 0.5 or kind of figure out your hundredth of a gram, which I don't believe that they were that accurate in the old days when they weighed out the original batches of wax. So this should make a fairly consistent batch. So we want 2.96 grams. So now we are zeroed out. 2.9, a little over half makes about 6. So that's 2.69 grams there of our Ceresine wax. So now we want to weigh out that until it balances out. And it's not very much at all. Most people would not be worried about that much difference. We have a little too much in there. A few more particles of Ceresine, and we are where we need to be. We are balanced out, and that is our 2.96 grams of Ceresine wax, and that's added into here. So that's all of what we need. We will be carefully melting this up now.